course, we still haven't shown that telomere shortening is a cause of aging, not a result of aging. And so the question is, how do we go from this, which I just talked about is what I call basal level telomere shortening, to this, where actually now you have something pulling on the other side. And actually it still shortens in this particular case, but this guy pulling on the side to lengthen telomeres is actually slowing down the rate of telomere shortening. Okay, well, this is where this enzyme telomerase comes in. As I mentioned before, I led the research to discover human telomerase at Geron Corporation in the early to mid 1990s. This is showing a cartoon. The green squiggly line is the chromosome, shown as a double helix. This factory-looking thing is the enzyme telomerase that is actually adding bases. Bases are C, A, G, and T. It's adding bases to the end of the telomere to make it longer. So the only function of this enzyme is to lengthen telomeres. So it's telomerase lengthens telomeres. And it's only found in our reproductive cells, surprisingly. And it's important it's in our reproductive cells because if it wasn't in our reproductive cells, our children would be born as old as we are. Okay, they have to, assuming telomere shortening is a cause of aging. So in the production of our sperm and our eggs, we need to keep the telomeres long so that so our children's telomeres are as long as ours were when we were first born. Okay, so how do we do this? Telomerase is encoded by a gene, just like our eye color and hair color is. This gray bar is showing the chromosome. The blue thing is actually the gene, telomerase gene. And next to every gene is a regulatory element. All genes are turned on and off like light switches. But think of it more as a dimmer switch. Okay, you can turn it off a little bit, you can turn it on a little bit, turn it on more. All the genes have this ability to do. In our reproductive cells, this gene is turned on, and so it's producing telomerase. But in all the other cells of our body, there's a protein that binds to that regulatory element and shuts the gene off. This protein is called a repressor. And it's, as I said, it's found in every cell of our body except our reproductive cells. So every cell in our body contains the gene. Every cell in our body has the ability to produce telomerase. It's just the gene's turned on. So the focus of my research at Sierra Sciences has been to search for chemicals or natural products that will bind to that repressor, dislodge it, and allow the gene to turn on. That is what everything we're doing here. Okay, so as a result, we have discovered several natural products and several pharmaceutical or synthetic chemicals